Good day once again, my highly esteemed viewers. Welcome back to class. Remember, my name remains Israel. Please, if you are not be subscribing to this YouTube, this channel is not fair enough. Kindly subscribe, press the like button. Also help me to share it. This video is ours. This channel is our own. Thank you very much. Now today we'll continue with our series. Remember, we're in series 23. We've done 22 series already. Before we did the one of practicals, but now we have come back to our series. But if you have not watched the practical aspect, go and go through them very, very well. So I know how the marking scheme is being done and how it's used to mark your wire script. So when you are writing, you know where to put your answers. So today we have started this series again, series 23, and our topic today is on bases. Remember, it's acid base and salt. We have brought out bases in it. Now, what are bases? A base is a substance which reacts with acid to produce salt and water only. Remember, in our previous definition of acid, we said an acid is a substance which reacts with dissociating water to produce hydrogen ions as a very positive charge ion. I know you understood that very well after the explanation. So we said a base is a substance which reacts with an acid to produce salt and water only. There are so many examples of bases. You have sodium hydroxide. This is a base. You have potassium hydroxide. Another base, you have calcium hydroxide, which is another base. However, we are going to limit our explanation to sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide reacts with acid, HCl, to give you NaCl plus H2O. This base, acid, salt, water. So by definition, that is what an acid is. I mean, a base is a substance that reacts with an acid to produce salt and water only. Now, having known the definition, what are some of the things you use to identify it? What are some of the properties? There's a bit. One, a base have bitter taste, but don't taste it. It's in many of the fruit you eat. So if it touches your tongue, it is always bitter, but don't do it because some of them may be corrosive and very poisonous. Then base are corrosive to the skin when in their concentrated form. When we say concentrated form, as I explained in our previous video, you have much of the base and very little amount of water. So it's very, very concentrated. Then lastly, there are many properties, but the last one we are going to take is they react with acid, they react with red litmus paper and change it to blue. So we have red litmus paper here. Remember in our first video, we also did the test for identifying an acid. That an acid is a substance which react with blue litmus paper and change it to red. Now this red litmus paper is the reverse. A base reacts with damp red litmus paper and turn into blue. It must be damp because it's only when it is wet or damp that the ions that cause the color change are made available. So I want to use to touch it. You see it? It is red for now. Wow, it has become blue. You can see the part that touch the acid, the base is already blue. So that's how you easily identify what a base is when you come in contact with any solution. So a base is a substance which changes the color of damp red litmus paper to blue. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you are not be sharing this video, it's not fair enough. See, we are putting a lot to make sure this thing gets to you and make the chemistry, which people say is like masquerade, make it very, very easy for you. So that even your younger ones will really understand. That's why I'm going that far to buy chemicals to do this test. Thank you very much. Kindly share, like, and subscribe. God will continue to bless you as you do that. Thank you.